In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task link. By the end, you'll know how to grab a direct link to any task and place it exactly where you need it. So you can jump between related work without hunting around. This is great for cross-referencing tasks, pointing teammates to a specific item, or keeping dependencies easy to access. Let's start by getting the link to the task you want to reference. The quickest way is the right-click method. Locate the task in your list or board, hover over its name, and right-click directly on that name. In the menu that appears, choose Copy Link. That copies a URL for this task to your clipboard. Think of it like a shortcut. Anyone who clicks it will go straight to that exact task. If right-click isn't available or your tool prefers a details view, use the Details pane method. Click the task to open its details. You might need to click again or select a small information icon to expand the pane. Inside that pane, look for an option labeled Copy Link. In some apps, it's tucked under a three-dot menu. Select Copy Link, and the task's URL is now in your clipboard, ready to paste. Next, go to the task where you want the link to appear. This is the From task, the one that will display the shortcut. Click into its description field, or even its title if your app supports links there. Paste the link using Ctrl+V on Windows, Command+V on Mac, or right-click and choose Paste. For clarity, many teams place the link near the top of the description with a brief note so it's easy to spot later. Once pasted, most tools automatically transform the URL into a clean, clickable link that shows the linked task's name instead of a long web address. That makes it readable at a glance. When you click it, the original task opens in a separate window or view, giving you quick access without losing your place. If the link stays a plain URL and doesn't convert, try pressing space or enter after pasting to trigger formatting. Also, make sure you have permission to view the link task. If access is restricted, the link may not resolve. That's all there is to it. Copy the link from the target task, paste it into the task where you want the reference, and use it to jump back and forth instantly. With this small habit, your tasks become a connected map, and navigating your work gets faster and clearer.